Preheat your oven to 425 degrees and get 1.5 pounds of baby yellow potatoes. With potatoes this size, I cut them in half, then halve the halves, and finally cut those pieces in half. I'm able to get 8 wedges this size from most of these. Put them in a gallon Ziploc bag, add 2 tablespoons of oil, I'm using avocado oil, shake the bag to cover the wedges with the oil, then put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Cook them in the oven at 425 degrees for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, group them into the center of the pan. I'll put just a tad more oil on them so the seasonings stick. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of coarse kosher salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Toss them until they're fully coated in the seasoning. Then spread them back out across the pan. Now cook them for 5 to 10 more minutes or until your desired doneness. And that's it. Please consider giving the video a like and thank you for watching.